first roaster coming up is built like every soccer mom ever. I love the George just turned around. Keep it going for Spiro. I can't say his last name. And his opponent, a guy who looks like a person that tries to fuck every soccer mom ever. George White, everybody! Yeah! Alright, you guys know the rules. One joke apiece without a rebuttal. Who's going first? Mr. George White, knock it off.
Go back, pack!
What the fuck?
Thanks, Dad.
Spiro is a Greek name that literally translates to family embarrassment.
At least my dad showed up. So a little bit about George White. I'm going to let you guys know a little bit about him. He was actually born in El Paso, Texas, so he's new to Las Vegas. Flash forward 38 years later, that is still the biggest tragedy in El Paso, Texas.
I was born in Korea on a military base. Give it up for the military!
We all know the Navy doesn't fucking count, right?
Spiro looks like the Geico caveman transitioning into Karen from accounts payable.
As long as he didn't assume my gender, that's all I fucking really care about. Yeah, I mean, George White, this is a big moment for him to be on the stage because he really doesn't get booked too often. But, I'm not done, don't worry. But a little bit, like, we gotta talk about personal stuff on stage. So, a little personal thing about you, about me, is this year my girlfriend actually got diagnosed with stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4 cancer, which is way more stages than George White will ever fucking touch.
This motherfucker brought up his dying girlfriend. Fuck you. I'm out here roasting your fat ass hips. Fuck you.
Luckily for you, luckily for her, your set dies faster than hers, so. Oh, shit! This is fun. A little bit more about George.
Hey, dude, can I tell a fucking joke?
That was his joke, right? Oh, no,
That's
that's
a rebuttal,
My
fuck.
bad, my bad.
You thought that was a joke?
They love me way more than you, that's what your dad said as well.
Shut the fuck up!
Sorry, Bill.
Since no one's listening to it at your house. Spiro calls his dick the Incredible Hulk because of all the exposure to radiation.
My girlfriend does have cancer, so that's true. That's the gift that keeps on giving. Oh, okay, that was super. All right. No, George White, actually one of his big credits, this is pretty proud, in 2016 he won the funniest comedian in the Southwest, which was awesome because he won by a landslide. There were actually more votes than audience members in attendance, which just goes to prove that even Koreans can rig a 2016 election. All right, politics, not so much.
Damn, nigga. You writing a book up here? Fuck. Alright. Spiro looks like if Mrs. Butterworth and the hamburger helper glove conceived him in a stolen minivan on Fremont.
Leave it to a black man to make a hamburger helper joke, right? Stereotypes. That was his last joke. I got one more. No, George White, he actually, when he moved out here, he lived with 2 comedians and a registered pedophile. Yeah, but he moved out because he was the only one in the house that couldn't do a tight 5.
George, just go sit down.
Oh my God. I love it. Spiro just wished his girlfriend would die for 4 fucking minutes and y'all yucked it all up.
She approved these jokes, it's okay.
Oh yeah, he was like, you like these jokes? She was like, sounds like acknowledgement to me. That's consent, I guess.
That's consent.
That was a great damn battle, guys. Judges, what do you think?
Hey, first of all, give it up for voting on the game. Hey, you said it was funny, George, man, and that goddamn bullshit ass shirt you got on. But I gotta give it to Spiro, man, because everything was on point, man. I'm entitled to
I agree, Spiro nailed it, but this has been so far the best roast of the evening.
After the 2, this really has been the best one. And I gotta say, as usual, cancer wins.